Hello YouTube, and this is Eric B doing another Lego house review thing. Well, it's my first one actually. I've just started this, so yeah, I made this little house out of the Lego Hillside set. Yeah, that's the one. So as you see, I made this house and it's quite cool. So yeah, and it's a work in progress, to be honest, because the roof is not 100% done, and so yeah. So take that figure away, my Eric B figure, and as you see, I've got flowers at the front, and I've got tiling at the front. It's not exactly finished, so yeah, and it does have the working doorbell. So, yep. And it's got the door from the set, you know, stuff like that. And inside, it's got a kitchen, fridge, tap, stove, and yeah. So, man in a bed right now. Just put him in there, and table. Got the table in there, and I've also got a fireplace where I hid the sound brick into. So yeah, and as you see, the roof is not entirely finished, because as you see these weird bits. I could have fixed that in the video, but yeah. So this is what I've built lately. So have any suggestions if I should buy another board and put a maybe a garage connected to it and a carport. So yeah, and so yeah, I think that's nearly about it. So yeah, and also for the tutorial video to how to make the Eric B figure and Minecraft universe, and this guy, in the comments, give just write down a name saying what this guy should be called, because I've got no idea. It's just, yeah. So as you see, I made this house. In the future, these houses will get bigger when I get more sets and stuff off Bricklink and stuff like that. I haven't actually used Bricklink. Yeah, so I suck at talking, and yeah, so that's dumb to say. But so yeah, I made this house. So if you know any other sites than Bricklink, tell me about them. So if it's cheaper than Bricklink, so yeah. So this has been Eric B with another video, and I am finishing this video here. Well, see you later guys, bye.